Well, friends, I certainly wasn't expecting FIIO Eco to be in there. I was only expecting FIIO Snowsky disc, and I knew that FIIO Eco is being launched as well, but I didn't knew it was being sent over. Now I have a responsibility to unbox both of the products for you guys with these two leather cases. Is it a leather one? No. Well, it will be a hard decision for you guys, wouldn't it be? Because both are music players and both have a very different vibe to them. I mean, Snowsky Disc and Snowsky Eco both comes under one brand, and both are music players with different retro styles. This one has a CD player, old fashioned retro style, and this one is more of a radio style. Well, this box has much more weight than this one, but this one looks classic. It is looking very beautiful. So without further delay, I think I should unbox both of these products. And should I make review in one video or separate? Because I remember I had FIIO Eco Mini as well, but still I couldn't post a review video. So I think I should unbox both of these products in one single video and review them in one single video as well. So now you just need to see unboxing of both these products, and please mind my throat because I'm not well, so thank you. So friends, this is all you get in the box. The box is pretty good. This is the Snowsky disc, and the color you see on the picture, it is really different from the advertised color. You can see there is a huge difference in color. It is a very shady green, but it's fine. And as far as the touch screen controls are concerned, well, the first look is very amazing, but I think we all aren't been used to this type of tech devices because this is one of its kind. It's actually made for vibe. This is the quick start guide, which is a must have for this type of device. And these are two stickers provided, and I don't know how I will apply them, but I will find out later. So that's it. I think now it's time to unbox the Snowsky Eco. Friends, so this is mainly what you get in the box, but not these cases. You have to buy them separately. But in my recommendation, do not buy this. It is really hard to put it on, and I am really struggling with it. And again, I would like to say that please mind my voice as I am not well, but I got interested, so that's why I wanted to unbox it today. Otherwise, with me, most of the time, parcels just stay with me for months. You can see it is extremely hard, so that's why I am recommending this case. It is actually good, you see. So this will be very easy for you. You see, you do not have to put this inside. This will be like this. So it is extremely good. Friends, so right now there is only one product available on FIIO AliExpress store, and that is FIIO disc. And I don't know when will the Echo be released, but it's not been released yet. And honestly speaking, I think, again, I don't like FIIO marketing, because why would you release two products simultaneously that are very much similar to each other? That is a very different style, and this is a very different style, retro. If someone hasn't purchased the Snowsky disc or Echo, it will be a difficult choice which one to get. Well, that is just my thought. Anyway, I think I should use both these products, and I'll come back to make a review video. Friends, so I have finally tested all these three products together, and now I will share my opinion with you guys. First of all, I want to tell you that I really like the Snowsky disc in all of these, and I will try to tell you why. So let's compare all these three. So first of all, as you guys all know, that Snowsky Echo Mini is one of the most popular budget music players you will ever see, and its price is $50, and Snowsky Echo price is $80. Similarly, Snowsky disc price is $80. So let's compare each other. I will not go into much detail. I will just try to summarize everything. Both Snowsky Echo Mini and Snowsky disc have the same DAC chip, but the Snowsky Echo has an upgraded DAC chip. But as far as the sound quality is concerned, well, I really like the sound quality of Snowsky Echo much better than Snowsky Echo Mini. And similarly, the Snowsky disc sound quality was better than both these. But as I have already told you that Snowsky Echo Mini and disc have the same DAC chip, this one has an upgraded DAC chip. But overall, if I tell you, you will like the sound quality on these two products more than Snowsky Echo Mini. If you don't have these three products and your priority is only sound quality, then I will recommend you both these products than Snowsky Echo Mini. But if you are into $50 budget, then Snowsky Echo Mini is also fine. And the other differences are that you can have an SD card in Echo Mini and Echo up to 256 GB, but in Snowsky disc you can have it up to 2 TB. Similarly, as far as the body material is concerned, the Snowsky Echo Mini is made of plastic, as you can see, but the Echo is made of metal shell. And Snowsky disc is made of aluminum alloy. So these are all the differences you need to know. This one has a Bluetooth version 5.3, 5.3, and this one has 5.4. Similarly, the Snowsky disc has Wi-Fi and AirPlay as well, but these products don't have Wi-Fi, AirPlay, as etc. Similarly, Snowsky disc has USB DAC mode, but these two don't have DAC mode options. It would have been better if we could have attached it directly to our smartphone, but anyway, you can use it as USB DAC mode as well. And as far as the battery timing is concerned, of course, the battery timing on Snowsky Eco Mini and Snowsky Eco is more than 15 hours, but Snowsky disc, because it has a touch screen and some other specs, so it will be only more than 12 hours. Now coming to the Snowsky disc, well, there are some features which I really like. For example, one of the best one was this screen rotation option. Well, this is really the best. So for example, if you prefer all these things on top, you need to set it to 180, and in 270 you can use it like this, and these things will be here. So my preferred versions are 0 and 180. Similarly, there are a lot of other options, as you can see. So I won't go into much detail, but you can see there are 4 working modes, and I really like the storage mode options. In this, you can directly save all the files from your smartphone. I just want to tell you that I really like the Snowsky disc much more than the Eco and Eco Mini, although Eco is really good in the sound quality, but like I would prefer the touch screen and up to 2 TB, and there are some other options as well. Let's go to the Snowsky Eco. Well, it is also very impressive. If you want to have the better sound quality, well, I will prefer Eco than Eco Mini. It has much better sound than Eco Mini. The reason why I like this more than the Eco is, for example, in Eco the songs are played continuously and then you cannot stop it. You have to go back to the menu. On the other hand, in Snowsky disc, you can directly lower the volume. So what I mean is that, for example, when the next song plays, because the sound characteristics are different, and in some songs you need 60 volume, in some songs you need 50 volume, so you can directly lower the volume by this. But in Snowsky Eco, I don't think that I have the option, and I have to go to the menu to lower the volume. So I hope you can understand my point. So that's why I like the disc more, and it is aluminum, and it is on the lighter side in weight, and it is easy to carry. So it is a great overall device. As far as the sound quality is concerned, which I have already told you, the sound is really in detail and much more better than the Eco Mini, and at the same time the sound is just too much loud. Both these have 120 volume, so you can understand they have a tremendous power to execute. So I have nothing more to say except this, that in both these 3 products I like the Snowsky disc more, and then on the second place I like the Eco. The reason is because it has a better sound than Eco Mini, and similarly the body material is also good, but the sound is my most preferred point. So that's it. If you don't have these 3 products and you are looking for only one, then I will tell you, go straight and buy the Snowsky disc. And if you like the retro style of Snowsky Eco, then go for Snowsky Eco. So that's it. I have nothing more to say. I may come with much more in-depth reviews, but I usually take a lot of time. takes sometimes months. So right now I have just used them for 3 days, and these are like my first impressions or quick review, but I don't think that these products need much longer reviews. As far as the scientific or in-depth review is concerned, well, there are other reviewers as well. I can do that as well, but there are a lot of other products in my list of videos, and similarly the video is already too much long, so I will end my video here. If you are interested, I will provide you all these 3 products links in the description, and along with the discount codes. The discount codes are valid for all the products on AliExpress, and you will save a lot if you use the discount codes. So thank you.